and they are coming in hot. We got Tricks, we got Axel doing something pretty dangerous. A full 360 around the boat. Really important that Tricks goes underneath Axel's rope here. All right, Tricks, watch your head. Yeah. Now we're not going once. What? We're going twice. We're picking up the speed. Here we go, adding to the danger. All right, Tricks, don't forget to duck. Yo! You got it. That was close. 2 turns around the boat now. World-class single skiers, Tricks and Axel coming back to the stage. Power, precision, and speed both. Give it up for Tricks and Axel.
I am Axel. You beat.
Oh yeah, we got a high-flying backflip right there. And we're going straight onto the lake again now. You know, Kuda, you know that we don't have a freestyle jumper.
It's because you don't have a freestyle jumper.
You're in for a surprise. Our world-class wakeboarder Slick is currently on the lake. He's about to show your man Edge exactly how to do this all-star style.
Your mate Slick. He's a freestyle jumper, is he?
Oh, world-class.
Oh, really? He knows what he's doing, does he?
He knows exactly what he's doing.
Oh, yeah.
And so do you guys. When the boys hit that jump, let's make some noise for them. All right, lads, will you send it?
You know what to do, Edge? Oh, yeah. See that? Double helis.
Double helicopter spin. Double.
Going up the top of Thunder Drop again.
Oh, hang on.
Are you serious, Adam? These guys are here to see a ski show, yeah? They don't want to see another BMX trick, do you? No, you don't want to see another BMX.
Kuda, it's not actually up to you. It's up to Thunderleg. Hey, Thunderleg, who wants to see Disco do another jump? Oh, that sounds like a yes. All right, he needs to hear us up there, so let's bring him in together. Come on. Disco, 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 disco. Bring it in, Disco!
Backflip with a bit of a can.
Backflip, can.
Yeah.
Nice work.
He's done it. He's actually done it. I can't believe it. He's been working on that thing for months.
It's on the lake.
Oh, all right, river rats. Bring it in. Edge, Axel, here we go.
Kuda.
What?
What is that?
This is an ancient river rat snake.
No, not this. What is that?
Oh, that. That, buddy boy, is one of the most beautiful things you're ever going to see. Yeah, it's half truck, half boat. It's a trout.
A trout.
A trout. And look, he's done it up in the team colours and everything. Come on, guys, clap your hands, go crazy, make some noise. That's my brother, Philip. Philip, I love you, man.
Careful, Usali. Guapo pag pinsabi pits. Ilang ulo ko. Bawal mo ito. Belum keduku yang musuh.
Sika always sila.
Belum kita tahu ni ay.
Dory, I'm sure you're down there somewhere. Dory? Oh, Dory. Dory,
How old was it?
you have got me running around in circles. Now, mate, we do. It's Rambo. Where are you going, buddy? Rambo. Good job, mate. I know what you're doing over there. Oh, good boy. Being an absolute amazing seal guardian is what Rambo's doing right now. He has found some rubbish that obviously should not be there. Mate, good job. All right, well done, mate. And hi, Julia. Hi, everybody. I've got an oversized soda can for you.
Oh, amazing. Kim, what am I meant to do with this?
Well, it's got to go in one of the bins, right?
Okay. Yeah, look, I'm embarrassed to say I don't know which one it goes in.
I think I know someone who does though.
Okay.
Obviously, the man himself, Rambo.
Yeah, I totally caught that.
You got
so
that, yeah.
it does need to go in the containers for change bin, because that could be something new in just 2 weeks. And we'll also see 10 cents donated to the SeaWorld Foundation. Thank you, Rambo.
Yes, you are so awesome. Now, Rambo is a long nose or New Zealand.
So, can I have a look inside your mouth? Good job. Everything is in tip-top shape. Good job there. Now, those of you close enough, you might have noticed the color of his teeth. They are actually brown. Now, whilst our dentist wouldn't be too happy with that, don't worry, it's perfectly healthy for a seal or a sea lion. Now, I would like to check the rest of his body as well. So I'm simply going to ask him to relax for a moment. Can you lay on down for me? Wow. Good job. Perfect. Now this is a great position because here I can look all over the top side of his body, from his cute little nose, all the way down the other end, to his even cuter little tail. So seals do have tails. It helps them stay nice and streamlined as they move through the water by simply closing a gap between their rear flippers. Now, these guys do know a whole host of other voluntary behaviors, and it's as easy as asking them to present different parts of their body. Like so. Good job, those flippers are looking nice and healthy, my friend. But it's also really important that these guys can be nice and comfortable so that when our veterinary team comes in, they can do a whole